Good morning, YouTube. It's 86 Dalys here. It's my first video, and I'm on my way to Mary Mead. It's 86 Day, so happy 86 Day to all my 86 owner, BRZ owners, FRS owners out there. I don't know how good you can hear me because of my exhaust is so damn loud, but shit, we are on our way to see about like 20 other 86s, I'm hoping. I'm excited. I'm so damn excited. Here's the 86. I'm in the 86. Currently whipping. Oh, I gotta shift gears. Okay, we got this. The one-hand driving. Alright, but serious note, let me put the camera away until I get there, boys. Little update here. There is like a grasshopper type of thing in my car. If you can see him right here. I named him. I blinded him. Oh, I blinded him. Ooh, I shouldn't have done that, but I killed him. No, I did not. He's still alive, and he's still in my car. But anyways, I just wanted to say there is a bug in my car. That's all I had to say. Good morning. We're back from the car ride. We got the boy Kevin here, and we are at the meet. We got my car over there, and we got all the 86s lined up. And we got the sunset. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out. It's 86 Day. Ain't that right?
86 Day.
86 Day. So we got all the 86s, the FRS is out. So let's go take a look at them. Right here we got FRS Bravo. We got FRS Bravo, slammed as hell. He got the big wang on the back, murdered out. We dig it. We dig it. What do we give it?
Missing the front bumper.
We're missing the front bumper though, Bravo. So that's one issue.
Let's see. You get the front.
But you got the cold. He's got the cold air intake, so he gets bonus points. So I give him a 8.5. Once you get the bumper on, you get a 10.
I'm gonna have to agree with that one.
Agree with that one. All right. Next up, we got this gt86 white boy, slammed. I like it. I dig it. He got the big sticker on the front. That's how you know he's got downforce, plus 10 horsepower.
He's got the TRD wheels.
TRD wheels.
17-inch.
Clean build. I give this one a 9.7 out of 10. Moving on to Kevin's whip. Kevin, this is your whip.
Yep.
You're fucking tucking some tire, bro. He's tucking tire. We can go into this interior here. He's got the red interior JDM handle. Truck barking. We give Kevin a 9.5 out of 10. Moving on to 86 Cisco, the homie Cisco. Let's see what he's got. Let's see what Cisco's got here. So he's got the carbon fiber hood, the Varus front lip with the rally backer 16-piece kit with the wheels, the chrome wheels. He's got the chrome wheels. I love it. I love it. Cisco, you the homie. We got to fix my diffuser when you see this video, because I know you're gonna watch it because you're the homie. We got some wheel flare, some wheel thingy.
What are we giving Cisco?
Cisco, we're gonna give Cisco
I'm gonna have to
a
say
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Beautiful. All right, we got these next three, but now we can look at them all. So we got this silver Scion FRS, pretty clean, slammed as always. Real nice exhaust tips, real nice. He's got the carbon fiber hood. I like the carbon fiber hood. Stock tails though, pretty clean. Slammed in the front, slammed. He's got a front splitter. It's clean. I give him a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Should we do a fitment test?
Not on him. We gotta go through all these cars. All right. Next up, we got the blue BRZ. She's stock, but she's cute. And this sunset background, it's beautiful. Beautiful car with a beautiful background. Then we got this red one. Nothing too crazy. It's pretty clean. I like the red and black, just like my car, red and black. So that's pretty clean. I give him a 9 out of 10. But moving on to this beast. This beast looks crazy. So right here we got the Varus kit with the carbon fiber hood and some crazy boy wheels. What's the Insta tag? Let's see the Insta tag.
We had more turbos.
Illusion Street. Illusion. That John's clean. Carbon fiber side skirts. I know your feet hit them. Your feet probably hit those side skirts all the time. I already know. I have the same struggle. It's got to be bagged. This is 100% on bags.
Straight static.
You think?
Yep.
How do you know? How do we know?
When he pulled up.
I think this is bagged, but we'll see. We'll see. Is that a Wawa sticker?
Yeah.
I love the Wawa sticker. He's got the Ferrari taillights. Carbon fiber. He's got carbon fiber everything. You can't beat this man. You can't beat this man. He's got the gold emblem stickers. That's sick. That is clean. 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10 build. So here we got this FRS. Kevin loves the taillights.
I love the taillights.
He loves the taillights. He might get them. They're clean with the red on the red wheels with the slam coils. Tying coilovers just like Kevin. Just like I used to have. But it's a clean build. Clean build. Look at all of them. Moving up, we got the yellow one. A yellow BRZ. Clean. Got the matching. He's got the matching. Oh, those seats are clean. I love the interior. They said I could be anything I wanted, so I became a race car. I feel that. I feel that too. You got the STI wheels with the Brembo brakes. The Brembo brakes is what I need. The diffuser, the black badges.
Got the Tom's taillights.
I don't know what TS is. I don't know what that is. It might be a limited edition model. Then we got all these blue BRZs. Blue ones, blueberry gang. Group of blueberries. Getting a phone call from my dad. Hello, Dad. This is my boy Cisco. He's got the orange one. We gave him a review earlier. We gave you a 10 out of 10 on your car. How do you feel about that? You. We gave your car a 10 out of 10. It's pretty clean, pretty clean.
Pretty clean.
Pretty clean. But now we got these ones. We didn't look at these ones. So we got this purple one with gold wheels and the WRX wing. I like the wing and the gold wheels. It's got the crazy engine bay, you already know. We got the race buckets in here. You already know.
Yeah, they'll probably
Living like Larry. That's that. You already know he's slammed. He's got the Valentis with the Brazzers license plate.
Brazzers.
Yeah, he must do porn. He must do a lot of porn. He's got the same louvers as me. I got these louvers. I really like this, the two colors. That's clean. And then we got this silver BRZ. I don't know, what color is this? It's like blue, but then it's like gray. So it's a mixture of blue and gray. It's got the Love 86 sticker on it. Pretty clean, pretty clean. With the big boy Brembo brakes. Another Brembo brake boy. Pretty clean, pretty clean. We got this one rolling out. Ooh, he's got the deleted exhaust. How do we feel about the cut bumper?
He needs he needs the jack point.
He needs,
He needs a jack point.
He needs the bar. Another one rolling out. The blue boy.
That's so bright.
Fuck, it's bright as shit. But we forgot to record my car. Well, we went over it, but we forgot to plus record, so we gotta redo it. So we're gonna review my car. So from the front, it looks pretty good. It's pretty dang low to the ground. We got the VLANs on. Coming around, we got the fitment check. One finger, you can't do it. You cannot put one finger in there. We got the Ford Star wheels with the baby boy brakes. We got the @ sticker here. This adds 20 horsepower. We got the Rallybacker wide body. Icon Motorsport louvers. Battle Arrow wing. Arrow Wolf end plates. Hold this. We got my diffuser here, and I was going like 80 miles per hour on the highway, and this thing was shaking hella. So we gotta fix that, Kevin. We got the NVIDIA exhaust, the gt86 badge, the custom license plate, and then coming around to this side, we got the BAPE wrap, and we got the fitment check on the back. The back needs to be fixed a little bit. It needs to be fixed. And then We got the Babe camo. Another ad sticker, so I guess that means 40 horsepower if I have 2 of them. I guess 20 plus 20 equals 40. So that's pretty much my whip. Downforce solution splitter here with the Dalys sticker and the upside down badges. So that's my build here. And then we got all the 86s lined up. So how do you think this day was? It was a pretty nice day.
It came out pretty nice. A lot of people showed out.
Yeah, it started at 6. I came here at, oh shit. It started at 6. I came here at 8 o'clock. Yeah. 2 hours late.
A little bit late.
2 hours late, but it was a good show out. This was my first 86 meet, like only 86s. That was my first one ever. And I would definitely go to another. I can't even see the camera right now. Like, it's so bright. I don't know where I'm looking. We're probably gonna go grab some ice cream. All right, guys, so this is wrapping up the video. I know I never made an intro, really, but thank you guys for watching. It's been a blast making this, and I hope I can make more videos in the future. So subscribe if you want to see more. I plan to make more installs video. That's probably gonna be my next video. It's gonna be a steering wheel install, but anyways, take care, guys. Thanks for watching.